creative and fun learning, bowling day fun. In the heart of Sunnyvale, on a sunny Friday afternoon, stood the lively bowling bash. The children from Sunnyvale School were about to embark on an unforgettable learning adventure. With a warm welcome from Coach Sam, the children were introduced to the fascinating world of bowling. They marveled at the gleaming lanes, the polished balls, and the colorful pins stacked high. Coach Sam began teaching the children how to grip their balls, aim, and throw with precision. They practiced, cheering for each other as they mastered these new skills. As the day wore on, the children discovered that bowling wasn't just fun, it was also a great way to learn. They calculated angles for their throws, measured distances, and marveled at the physics of the pins as they fell. In the afternoon, the children were given a special challenge to design their very own unique bowling balls. With glue, paint, and an assortment of colorful materials, they worked together, sharing ideas and creativity. Once their creations were complete, each child proudly presented their work during a show-and-tell session. They shared stories behind their designs and cheered for each other's creativity. Finally, it was time for the big event, a friendly bowling tournament. Each child used one of the beautifully decorated bowling balls they'd created to see whose throw would roll away with the prize. As the tournament came to an end, everyone gathered for a well-deserved party. They munched on popcorn, drank lemonade, and danced to fun music playing in the background. The room was filled with laughter and joy. Coach Sam called each winner up to receive a prize, acknowledging their hard work and creativity. The children cheered for one another, proud of their accomplishments. As the day came to a close, the children sat together, sharing memories of their exciting bowling adventure. They spoke about their favorite moments and what they learned from the experience. The children went home, their hearts full of joy and their minds buzzing with inspiration. They couldn't wait to dive into other creative projects that would help them learn and grow even more. As the sun began to set, the children met for one last gathering. They hugged each other goodbye, knowing that their bond had grown stronger through this unforgettable adventure. They left with memories they'd cherish forever,